Do you want the benefit of a burpee without hitting the floor? This scaled version removes the push-up, but still boosts your heart rate, builds endurance, and torches calories, with less impact and better form for beginners. Let's get to it. It's very similar to original burpee, but removes the element of the push-up. Let's get down, put your palms on the floor, make sure your shoulders directly over your palms, jump back until you get in a straight line, have a rigid spine and tight core. Now you're gonna hop forward, bring your feet slightly outside of your palms, and stand up and give me a hop. We're gonna repeat the whole thing again. Now there's another way to scale it back. You can squat down, step back into a high plank position. Tighten up your core, then step forward, 1 foot at a time, and jump up. This version is great for someone who has a lower back issue or tight hip issue. Start with whatever you can do and slowly progress to a full burpee. Good luck.